Hey guys, it's Sean with the Brothers Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on your 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. It's a very easy fix that the dealership will charge an arm and a leg for. On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, this is a very easy project, and you don't need an automotive knowledge to do it. All you need is a can-do attitude and a few tools. And before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That way you stay up to date on all the videos we have pertaining to the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. And if you found value in this, or if this helped you out at all, hit that like button. That way we know to keep bringing this kind of stuff to you guys. If you're interested in it, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. There, you'll stay up to date on all the stuff you can't see here on YouTube. Hey, we're pretty interesting guys, you know what I'm saying? The Napa Gold air filter. Part number 2488. Ooh, how do you like that I knew it? Like I didn't have to do a couple takes. Anyways, it is part number 2488. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh man. Again, that's part number 2488. Top of the line right here. Let's go get her installed. You ready? Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Ah. Alright, your air filter, let me steal you guys, is located right here. That's right, guys. Up front, easy to reach. All we have to do is disconnect 4 little bolts here. We're going to move this guy right here as well, and then this pops right off. You can disconnect this, but not necessarily. It's not a big deal. It's enough slack here. You could just move this out of the way. We'll pull the old one out, put the new one in. Bingo bango. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say, if you're in like the 4th grade. What I'm trying to say is it's pretty easy, guys. So guys, for this we're going to be using a socket set with an extension. It's going to be a 5/16 to remove the 4 bolts that hold the housing on, and then we're going to move to a 10mm socket, this guy right here, and he's going to remove that angle bracket that connects to the fender. Right here, guys, I don't want to mess with the AC condenser, so I'm just going to go back down to the normal socket. For this one, guys, I'm just going to use my handy dandy flathead. Alright guys, now that we have the air filter itself disconnected, we're going to go ahead and take this bracket off right here. If you want to come over and take a look here. So this guy's going to come off. We're going to use a 10mm socket right now. All we're going to do is just move this guy a little bit out of the way. Bingo bango, bro. Super simple. You guys were out here thinking this was going to be really hard. Nope. Watch that. Dang, it comes right out. So does this. Ooh. Now you're thinking to yourself, man, look, that's clean, right? No, look closely here. Look how dirty that is. Oh, poor Patches couldn't breathe. That's bad. Be right back with a new one. Make sure she can breathe. Ta-da! Ha ha! Ooh. Dang. That's looking night and day right there, guys. Here, even from where I just touched it by accident. No, actually that's not. Disregard that. Anyways, this slides right in here. Come on in for a look. Perfect. Get this guy attached real quick. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. Gotta bring this guy back into place here. Slide him in. Almost lost this guy. Huh. That'd have been bad. Right, so this guy just goes right back in here. And that's it, guys. Air filter's in, your truck can breathe, and you saved a couple bucks from going to the dealership. Hope you guys learned something today. If you guys stuck around this long, I know you enjoy the videos. So go ahead and hit that like button for us. That way we know to keep bringing this kind of stuff to you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That way you stay up to date on all of Patch's repairs. Because Lord knows there's going to be more to come. I love you, Patches, but you're a pain in the butt. She gets a little testy sometimes. She's a pain in the butt. I don't think she hurt me. She might get a little mad if she did. But there might be a video here in the future, so you don't want to miss out on what's next and what we've already done. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss anything in the future. And if you're interested, you guys can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. There, you'll stay up to date on everything we're doing outside of YouTube. And until next time, guys, keep building.